Hello, my name is Narelle and I work in the practice education team in the Northern Trust. We are here to tell you how the Northern Trust works in partnership with the Northern Regional College and the Open University. We provide practice placements for students enrolled on the Level 4 certificate in healthcare practice. We have a wide range of placements available across the Trust, including surgical, medical and mental health. Staff in these areas are here to help you gain the practical skills and knowledge required to complete the course, which are similar to that of a first-year nursing student.
Hello, I'm Hayley and I also work in the practice education team in the Trust. You will be allocated to one clinical area to complete the 770 practice hours required. You will be supported by a practice supervisor and you will be also supported by the practice education team throughout your clinical placement. By successfully completing the Level 4 certificate in healthcare practice, you will be eligible to apply to Part 2 of the Open University Nursing Degree Programme. We look forward to welcoming the next cohort of healthcare practice students to the Northern Trust.